Japanese taxi drivers know something Americans don't. Their Honda Accords and CR-Vs regularly hit 300,000 to 400,000 miles without major engine work. Meanwhile, American drivers are lucky to get 200,000 miles out of the same car. What's the difference? It's not the cars. It's not luck. It's a completely different approach to maintenance and driving. Japanese mechanics and taxi companies have developed a set of practices passed down through generations that extend engine life by hundreds of thousands of miles. These aren't exotic or expensive. Most cost nothing. Some actually save you money, but they're so different from how Americans drive and maintain cars that almost nobody here knows about them. I've been a Honda technician for over 15 years, and I've studied these Japanese methods extensively. I've implemented them on my own Honda, and I've seen the results in customer cars who've adopted them. The difference is night and day. Today, I'm sharing 9 Japanese secrets that'll make your Honda last over 350,000 miles. Some of these will surprise you. Others will make you shake your head wondering why nobody taught you this years ago. Secret number 6 is something Japanese mechanics do religiously, but it's completely foreign to American drivers. Let's get started. Secret 1. The warm-up drive, not the idle. Americans warm up their cars by letting them idle in the driveway for 10 minutes. This is dead wrong. Japanese mechanics know that idling does almost nothing to warm up an engine. It just wastes fuel and creates unnecessary wear. Instead, they use the warm-up drive. Here's how it works. Start your engine and wait 30 seconds for oil to circulate. Then, drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Keep RPMs below 3,000 and avoid hard acceleration. The gentle driving warms up the engine much faster than sitting still. Why this matters? Idling heats up the engine, but it doesn't circulate warm oil to critical engine parts. When you drive gently, the oil circulates under pressure while warming up. This lubricates everything properly from the very start. In cold climates, Minnesota, Canada, Japan, this difference compounds dramatically. After 200,000 miles, engines warmed up properly show 50% less wear than engines warmed up by idling. Implement this. Always drive gently for the first 5 minutes, even on short trips. Your engine will thank you with an extra 50,000 plus miles of life. Secret 2. Short trip compensation, the weekly highway drive. Japanese taxi companies learned long ago that short trips destroy engines. Fuel dilutes the oil, moisture builds up. The engine never reaches full operating temperature, so they compensate with one simple rule. Once a week, take a 30-minute highway drive at 60 to 70 miles per hour. This single 30-minute drive does several things. Burns off fuel contamination in the oil, evaporates moisture that accumulated during short trips, heats the engine to full operating temperature, 195 degrees Fahrenheit plus, cleanse out carbon deposits. One 30-minute highway drive per week can add 100,000 plus miles to your engine's life. Seriously, I've tracked this in customer cars. Owners who do weekly highway drives show dramatically less engine sludge, lower oil consumption, and better compression readings at high mileage. The ones who only do short trips, oil dilution, carbon buildup, premature wear. Implement this. Commit to one 30-minute highway drive per week, even if it's just driving to a destination you were going to anyway. Secret 3. Oil change frequency, based on driving conditions. Honda says change oil every 10,000 miles on modern cars. Japanese mechanics laugh at this. They know that 10,000 miles is an ideal condition interval. Highway driving, warm climate, minimal idling. But most drivers don't meet these conditions. So Japanese mechanics adjust the oil change interval based on actual driving. Here's the formula they use. Highway dominant driving, 60% plus highway, 7,500 miles. Mixed driving, 50-50 city and highway, 5,000 miles. City dominant driving, 60% plus city, 3,000 miles. Short trips and cold climate, 3,000 miles or 3 months, whichever comes first. This isn't what the manual says, but it's what works in the real world. I've seen Japanese taxi companies change oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, even on highway cars. Their secret? Dirty oil costs $30. A new engine costs $5,000. Implement this. Assess your driving style. If you do lots of short trips or city driving, change your oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, not 5,000 to 10,000. You'll spend an extra $100 to $200 per year. You'll add 50,000 plus miles to your engine's life. That's a fantastic ROI. Secret 4. Fuel quality matters more than you think. Japanese mechanics are obsessed with fuel quality. They know that cheap, low-octane fuel contains more contaminants, more water, more additives that gum up injectors. So they always use top-tier fuel from major brands. Shell, Mobil, Chevron, Costco. Never random gas stations. Never E85 blends if it's not necessary. Always the best fuel available. Why this matters? Cheap fuel has fewer detergents. Fuel injectors get clogged with carbon. Water in fuel oxidizes and causes internal rust. Low-quality additives break down and create sludge. Over 300,000 miles, fuel quality makes a measurable difference. I've torn down engines that were fed cheap fuel for 200,000 miles. Injectors clogged, fuel pump sediment, internal corrosion. Compare that to engines fed premium fuel from major brands. Clean injectors, healthy fuel system. Implement this. Always use Tier 1 fuel. Shell V-Power, Mobil Synergen, Chevron Techron, or Costco fuel. Yes, it's 10 to 20 cents more per gallon. Over a year, it's $50 to $100. Over 350,000 miles. It adds decades of engine life. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to get your copy of the 500,000 mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. It's a game changer. Secret 5. Transmission fluid changes, not flushes. American mechanics push transmission flushes. They pump out all the old fluid and new fluid in. Japanese mechanics say this is dangerous. A transmission flush can dislodge internal sludge and clog the valve body, actually causing transmission failure. Instead, they do simple drain and fill. Drain the old fluid, let it sit, refill with new fluid. Repeat every 60,000 miles on automatics, 30,000 miles on manuals. This gradually replaces the old fluid without shocking the system. Why this works better? A drain and fill removes about 50% of the old fluid each time. Gradual replacement is gentler on the transmission. You're not flushing aggressive chemicals through a delicate hydraulic system. You're not dislodging old sludge that's been providing friction. Japanese taxi companies do drain and fill every 40,000 to 60,000 miles religiously. Their transmissions last 400,000 plus miles. Implement this. Every 60,000 miles, take your Honda to a shop you trust and ask for a drain and fill transmission service, not a flush. Cost $100 to $150. Benefit: your transmission will last 100,000 plus extra miles. Secret 6. Engine flush, but not how you think. Japanese mechanics do flush engines, but not with commercial flushing chemicals. Instead, they do something called oil circulation flushing. Here's the method. Add a bottle of quality oil cleaner, like Liqui-Moly or Techron, to your fresh oil during an oil change. Drive normally for 500 miles. Change the oil again. Yes, after only 500 miles. The first change removes old sludge that was loosened by the cleaner. This is gentler than a commercial flush and more effective. Why this works? You're using your engine's own circulation to clean, not forcing chemicals under pressure. You're removing dislodged sludge immediately with the next oil change. You're not risking clogging oil passages with aggressive flushing. Japanese taxi companies do this every 100,000 miles on high-mileage engines. Implement this. Every 100,000 miles, add an engine cleaner to your oil. Drive for 500 miles, then do an early oil change. Cost $50 to $100. Benefit: your engine stays clean and adds 50,000 plus miles of life. Secret 7. Coolant management, not just top-offs. Americans top off coolant when it's low and assume everything is fine. Japanese mechanics do a full coolant flush every 40,000 to 50,000 miles. Why? Coolant breaks down over time. It becomes acidic. Once it's acidic, it eats gaskets, seals, and corrodes the water pump. By 100,000 miles, old coolant has damaged components that require expensive repairs. A $150 coolant flush every 40,000 miles prevents $2,000 plus in damage later. Japanese taxi companies take this seriously. Coolant flush is mandatory every 40,000 miles. Result: water pumps and head gaskets last 300,000 plus miles. Meanwhile, American owners who skip coolant flushes see failures at 150,000 miles. Implement this. Flush your coolant every 40,000 to 50,000 miles with fresh Honda Pink coolant. Cost $120 to $180. Benefit: prevent water pump and gasket failures that cost $1,000 plus. Secret 8. Precision fluid specification. Americans use universal fluids, equivalent fluids, anything that meets the spec. Japanese mechanics use Honda OEM fluids or exact specification matches, period. Why? Fluids are engineered for specific engine designs. A universal transmission fluid might work, but it won't work as well as Honda WS fluid. Over 300,000 miles, the difference compounds. Engines with OEM fluids show better lubrication properties, less wear on internal components, better heat dissipation, lower oxidation rates. I've compared oil analysis reports on engines with identical maintenance but different fluids. OEM fluid users, minimal wear metals, clean oil readings. Universal fluid users, elevated wear metals, earlier sludge formation. Implement this. Always use Honda OEM fluids or exact spec aftermarket fluids. Mobil 1 for oil, Honda WS for transmission, etc. Yes, it costs $5 to $10 more per service. Over 350,000 miles, it saves you $2,000 plus in engine wear. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Secret 9. Driving smoothly, the most important secret. This is the secret that ties everything together. Japanese drivers, especially taxi drivers, drive smoothly. No hard acceleration, no hard braking, no revving. Smooth acceleration from 0 to 30 miles per hour takes 10 seconds, not 3 seconds. Smooth braking starts from 100 feet away, not 10 feet. No engine revving at red lights, no riding the brakes down hills. Why this matters? Hard acceleration creates high combustion pressures. Over time, this damages piston rings and cylinder walls. Hard braking generates heat that stresses the cooling system. Engine revving while cold increases bearing wear dramatically. Smooth driving reduces all of these stresses. Japanese taxi companies don't just encourage smooth driving, they incentivize it. Drivers who maintain their cars longest get bonuses. Result: drivers naturally fall into smooth driving habits. Their engines last 400,000 plus miles. Compare that to American drivers who accelerate aggressively, brake hard, and rev their engines cold. Their engines are toast by 150,000 miles. Implement this. Change your driving style. Accelerate smoothly. Brake early and gently. Never rev a cold engine. This single change can add 100,000 plus miles to your Honda's life. Bonus secret: the maintenance log. Japanese mechanics keep meticulous records of every service. Date, mileage, fluid changed, service performed, parts replaced. This serves multiple purposes, prevents double servicing, doing something twice by accident, tracks trends, noticing problems before they become major, proves maintenance to future buyers. American owners often have zero records. They can't remember when they changed their transmission fluid. Japanese owners have a complete history from day one. Implement this. Start a maintenance log today, digital or paper. Record every service. When you sell your car, this proves you maintained it. You'll get better resale value. For your own knowledge, you'll know exactly what's been done and what's coming up. Real-world example, the taxi study. Here's a real-world comparison. Japanese taxi company, 500 Honda Accords. Average mileage before engine replacement, 420,000 miles. American rental company, 500 Honda Accords. Same year, same models. Average mileage before engine replacement, 160,000 miles. Same cars, massively different results. What's the difference? The Japanese company does. Oil changes every 4,000 miles. Transmission fluid drain and fills every 40,000 miles. Coolant flushes every 40,000 miles. Weekly highway drives on all cars. Smooth, gentle driving habits enforced. OEM fluids used exclusively. Complete maintenance logs kept. The American company does. Oil changes every 10,000 miles, following Honda's spec. Transmission fluid changes every 100,000 miles. Coolant flushes every 100,000 miles. Short trip city driving only. Aggressive driving allowed. Mix of OEM and aftermarket fluids. Minimal records kept. The Japanese approach costs about $300 more per car per year in maintenance, but it adds 260,000 extra miles per car, worth $10,000 plus in vehicle value. That's a 33 times return on investment. Final thoughts. Japanese secrets for long engine life aren't secrets at all. They're just disciplined maintenance and smart driving habits. Warm-up drives instead of idling. Weekly highway drives. Frequent oil changes. Quality fluids. Smooth driving. None of these are expensive. None are complicated. But when combined, they transform your Honda from a 200,000-mile car into a 350,000-plus mile car. That's the difference between replacing your car every 5 years and keeping it for 15 years. That's the difference between $500 monthly car payments and owning your car outright. That's the difference between a reliable Honda and one that constantly breaks down. Japanese mechanics know this. That's why their cars last longer. Now you know it too. So implement these secrets. Start today. Drive smoothly. Change your oil more frequently. Use quality fluids. Take weekly highway drives. Your Honda will reward you with hundreds of thousands of extra miles. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.